Greetings, mathematicians. We have example 3, an OR inequality. So we have 3x plus 1 is less than 4, or 2x minus 5 is greater than 7. These are pretty simple. All you do is you just treat this inequality as its own separate inequality. You treat this inequality as its own separate inequality, and then you just go ahead and graph. So let's focus on this first one. 3x plus 1 is less than 4. So we need to isolate this variable x. So I subtract 1 from both sides. Just writing your equivalent inequalities as you go. So those 1's cancel. 3x is less than 3. And then I go ahead and divide both sides by 3. And I'm left with the inequality x is less than 1. Okay? I'm going to keep this OR phrase. I'm going to go ahead and write that down below, just so I remember it is an OR statement, meaning that we only need one or the other to be true. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and solve this inequality. 2x minus 5 is greater than 7. So again, isolating this variable x, we add 5. Those cancel. 2x is greater than 12. Okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and divide by 2, both sides. Okay? Those 2's cancel out. I'm left with x is greater than 6. Okay? So this is my solved inequality, and we need to go ahead and graph that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the numbers down below. So we have 1 there, and we have 6 over here. Okay? It's a number line, right? So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Identify your circles. So this is going to be an open circle. We have less than 1. So we go to the left. Okay? Here we have x is greater than 6. So open circle, heading to the right. Okay? And here's another example. 6x minus 5 is less than 7, or 8x plus 1 is greater than 25. Okay? So let's go ahead and solve. I'm going to go ahead and isolate this variable, so add 5 to both sides. 6x is less than 12. Okay? And then I have to go ahead and divide both sides by 6. So we have x is less than, I'm dividing by a positive 6, so I don't need to worry about flipping anything here. So we have x is less than 2. Okay? Same thing, make sure you drop down that OR. That's a good habit. And then we're going to go ahead and solve this inequality right here. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 1. So we have 8x is greater than 24. The inverse of multiplication, we have division, so divide by h. So x is greater than 3. Okay? So this is our solved compound inequality. Let's go ahead and graph. So I'm going to put 2 here. We can put 3 over here. We have less than 2. Open circle, heading to the left. X is greater than 3. Open circle, heading to the right.